For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Researchers at Duke University conducted a study to test the efficacy of face masks. The researchers compared 14 different types of masks to see which one would be the most effective at reducing the spread of coronavirus. Not every tested mask gave a positive remark. In fact, one of them effectively made things worse. The researchers tested how each mask was at reducing the number of respiratory droplets transmitted during speech. As observed, viral particles can be carried by these droplets, spreading the virus. The team tested 14 different types of masks, including surgical, N95, cotton, and polypropylene masks, as well as neck fleeces and bandanas. The research was based on a person speaking 10 times while wearing each of these masks and a controlled trial of not wearing any mask at all. In comparison to the controlled trial of not wearing masks, most of the options reduce the number of respiratory droplets transmitted. According to researchers, mask is important to limit the spread of coronavirus. Polypropylene masks marked a droplet count that was close to numbers counted for surgical and N95 masks, which had the lowest number of droplets. The study also says that the neck fleece and bandanas are marked as the ones which have high counts of respiratory droplets. So these alternative face coverings or masks offered little protection. In fact, the neck fleece increased the number of respiratory droplets by creating a number of smaller droplets, resulting in more droplets in those who were not wearing masks at all. However, according to the researchers, they have also found that similar smaller droplets stay in the air longer than larger droplets, so neck fleece may be counterproductive.
We were extremely surprised to find that the number of particles measured with the fleece actually exceeded the number of parties measured without any mask. We want to emphasize that we really encourage people to wear masks, but we want them to wear masks that actually work.
Also, there are 7 COVID-19 face mask myths which are going around, which you should definitely not fall for. The coronavirus isn't real, so masking isn't necessary. Masks can be made of any material as long as your face is covered. Only sick people need to wear face masks. Wearing a medical mask causes you to breathe in more carbon dioxide. You don't have to social distance if you're wearing a mask. Masks will weaken your immune system. Cloth masks offer no protection from COVID-19. However, a mask you use must cover the nose and mouth comfortably, as they work as a physical barrier against respiratory droplets that can carry and spread coronavirus.